Former New England Patriots star linebacker, Jerod Mayo, has officially been introduced as the team's new head coach. The announcement was made on Wednesday during a press conference held by the Patriots organization. Mayo is taking over the helm from his predecessor, Bill B., and aims to forge strong relationships and break down silos within the team. During the introductory event, one of the first questions raised was about Mayo's intentions to follow in the footsteps of the illustrious Bill B., who had an impressive coaching tenure with the team. In response, Mayo made it clear that he has no desire to mimic his predecessor. Instead, he emphasized his focus on rebuilding relationships within the organization and creating a more collaborative environment. Jerod Mayo brings a wealth of experience and expertise to his new role as head coach. He enjoyed a successful playing career as a linebacker for the Patriots, earning Pro Bowl honors and being an integral part of the team's Super Bowl winning campaigns. Mayo's deep understanding of the game, combined with his leadership skills and dedication to the sport, make him a natural fit for this prominent position. The Patriots organization has always been known for its disciplined and winning culture, which was largely cultivated by the legendary Bill B. However, Mayo aims to put his own stamp on the team and implement his own coaching style, while respecting the foundation that has been laid before him. He plans to infuse new ideas and strategies that will help propel the Patriots to continued success. Rebuilding relationships and breaking down silos within the team will be a key priority for Mayo. By fostering a collaborative and inclusive environment, he hopes to encourage open communication and teamwork among both the coaching staff and the players. This approach is aimed at maximizing the team's potential and creating a unified vision that will lead to more victories on the field. As the new head coach, Mayo is well aware of the expectations that come with leading one of the most successful franchises in NFL history. However, he remains unfazed by the pressure, expressing his excitement and gratitude for being given the opportunity to guide the Patriots towards future triumphs. Mayo's focused mindset and determination make him a promising choice to lead the team into this new era. With a fresh face at the helm and a renewed emphasis on building relationships and breaking down silos, the Patriots are poised for an exciting new chapter under Jerod Mayo's leadership. Fans and players alike will be eagerly watching as he brings his unique coaching style to the field, aiming to further cement the team's legacy of success.